In this video, I'll be talking about interactive voice response, otherwise known as IVR. Interactive voice response is a technology that allows the computer to interact with humans through the use of voice and DTMF keypad inputs. In telecommunications, IVR allows customers to interact with a company's database via telephone keypad or by speech recognition, after which they can service their own inquiries by following the IVR dialogue. IVR systems can respond with pre-recorded or dynamically generated audio to further direct users on how to proceed. IVR applications can be used to control almost any function where the interface can be broken down into a series of simple interactions. IVR systems deployed in the network are sized to handle large call volumes. IVR technology is also being introduced into automobile systems for hands-free operation. Current deployment in automobiles revolves around satellite navigation, audio, and mobile phone systems. It has also become common in industries that have recently entered the telecommunications industry to refer to an automated attendant as an IVR. The terms, however, are distinct and mean different things to traditional telecommunications professionals, whereas emerging telephony and VoIP professionals often use the term IVR as a catch-all to signify any kind of telephony menu, even as a basic automated attendant. The term Voice Response Unit, or VRU, is sometimes used as well. IVR systems are typically used to service high call volumes, reduce costs, and improve the customer experience. Examples of typical IVR applications are telephone banking, televoting, and credit card services. Companies also use IVR services to extend their business hours to a 24/7 operation. The use of IVR and voice automation enables a company to improve its customer service and lower its costs, due to the fact that callers' queries can be resolved without the need for queuing and incurring the cost of a live agent, who in turn can be directed to deal with more demanding areas of the service. If the caller does not find the information they need or requires further assistance, the call can then be transferred to an agent. This makes for a more efficient system in which agents have more time to deal with complex interactions. For example, customer retention, upselling, cross-selling, and issue resolution. This way, the customer is more likely to be satisfied with a personalized service, and the interaction is likely to be more fulfilling and rewarding for the agent, as opposed to dealing with basic inquiries that require yes or no responses, such as obtaining customer details. Call centers use IVR systems to identify and segment callers. The ability to identify customers allows services to be tailored according to customer profile. The caller can be given the option to wait in a queue, choose an automatic service, or request a callback at a suitable time and telephone number. The system may obtain caller line identification data from the network to help identify or authenticate the caller. This is currently available for about 80% of inbound calls. Additional call authentication data could include account number, personal information, passwords, and biometrics. When an IVR system answers multiple phone numbers, the use of DNIS ensures that the correct application and language is executed. A single large IVR system can handle calls for thousands of applications, each with its own phone numbers and script. IVR also enables customer prioritization. In a system wherein individual customers may have a different status, the service will automatically prioritize the individual's calls and move customers to the front of a specific queue. Prioritization could also be based on DNIS and call reasons. IVR is sometimes criticized as being unhelpful and difficult to use due to its poor design and lack of appreciation of the caller's needs. Some callers object to providing voice response to an automated system and prefer speaking with a human respondent. Companies have also been criticized for using IVR to reduce operational costs, but not offering similar services using agents. Such methods tend to frustrate customers who feel that their right to speak to an agent is being restricted. Examples of services criticized in this way include debt recovery and giveaways such as concert tickets, satellite and cable receivers, and etc. Companies using IVR exclusively without offering a live agent as an alternative may be violating certain civil rights for callers with speech or hearing impairments.